This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jenifer Longa. Large builder's acre, 39,407 square feet, double lot on large navigable canal in East Palmetto Bay. Existing home is over 6,600 square feet. And in challenged condition, perfect for major renovation or demolition. Might be splitable into two separate building lots in luxury half-acre development. Showings are by appointment only with not less than 24 hours advance notice. This listing was a property acquired in foreclosure and is being offered strictly as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Jenifer Longa at 786-581-1400.